So, what are some examples of issues you were creating for other people?
Just being a general nuisance. That just trolling, being loud and obnoxious. I wasn't like a major troll. I just got a little bit of a rouse out of people by bugging them to the extent of making them block me, which definitely isn't something I'm proud about. It's just something I did because I thought it was fun. And when
Hmm.
you see YouTube videos of people going around making fun of other people and they're getting a kick out of it, you might as well try and try to have fun. And that was the main aspect that got me into VRChat, was to mess around and just screw off.
So, you actually did enter this app with the goal of trolling, of being a nuisance, of messing with people.
Yeah, but I ended up staying at the end of it, and I'm kind of glad I did.
Were there any other behaviors there before we go to the shift? Like, were you screaming at people? Were you mocking them? Like, what were you doing?
Well, for me specifically, it's not a fun story. It's just a simple as I did it for like a week and a half, and then I stopped playing VRChat.
Hmm.
Then I ended up picking it up about a month later. Then I went into a furry world and talked with some people, and lo and behold, this happened.
And you looked down and you were
It wasn't.
transformed.
Yeah, I looked down and just fur
You're like,
everywhere. Now I just started talking with chill with people and playing games with people.
hmm.
I started playing a lot of Space Engineers with a friend of mine, and he changed his profile picture to a furry profile picture, and lo and behold, he was a furry. So I can kind of say it's his fault.